Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Greenville, Texas, where we are saving the interior of a house where the sunken living room area is flooding. And we started with the outside because this outside wall, if you notice, you can see plenty of foundation wall on the left side, but over on this side, you see the wall come all the way down. That is not good because that wall goes straight down, and that means water will be able to make its way up under this slab and come in right through that wall and flood the sunken living area if all of it isn't sealed properly. And it wasn't. So what we've done is we've added a drain and then closed in our drain and sealed it and then waterproofed all the outside and the foundation wall over here all the way down. We have coated and sealed it, and as you can see, we built that wall. That wall was not there. It was just built just like this. And just like that is particle board going down. Over here, you can see that is a foundation wall that we built, and we went all the way back and built us a wall and sealed it. There's our drain. We run through our sump pump, and we fix a crack in the floor since it's in the sunken living area to make sure water doesn't come through the center. You can see that we waterproof the foundation wall because we're below grade, and this is where water will be coming from. But right now, the majority of all the water is coming in through this back wall. You see that little thin vapor barrier, and you can see the particle board. That particle board it's not even plywood. It's just particle board. It breaks up much easier than something solid. And water's coming right through here, and you can see the indentation in the floor. And this area has been flooding. And as you can see, the house is over half finished, and this is the time at which it's flooding. And they are lucky that this area wasn't finished because it would have flooded anyway. So now that we've seen it, we can call it a day. Let's get busy. If you like our videos, click the like button. And you may in the future want to ask questions, so you'll have to be subscribed. So click the subscribe button while you're on the site. And if you have any questions about area that's taking in water or just how to build something or how to fix it, we'll be happy to answer your general questions. Okay, let's call it a day.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.